remember celebrating New Year's Eve in Bangor, and it was freezing, and there was snow everywhere.
I know. I remember a few of those in Portland.
Oh yeah.
Many
Not
years
this
ago.
year.
No.
This year's very different.
Yeah, I mean, it will get chilly.
Chilly. Okay.
But I remember having, having to trudge through snow in shoes that weren't
appropriate
great
for snow.
Yeah,
but that's an age thing, right? Now we just put the boots on.
Yeah, it was about 10 years ago. So,
I hear you.
Comfort takes over at this point in life, right? We are looking at things staying fairly, I guess, relatively mild at this point in time, but we are looking at temperatures eventually coming down, and they're coming down slowly, especially in higher elevations, and then getting to base levels. We are looking at temperatures below freezing as you make your way into northern Maine. Did hear that there's a dusting of snow up toward Millinocket, so we're starting to see the changeover, and it's the end of December. We should be having more than a dusting of snow on the ground at this point, but nonetheless, it makes it exciting. We do have some areas of fog, especially into York County, 3/4 mile visibility through Sanford, and into a lot of the mountain valleys. So if you are traveling, just keep in mind, not only are we dealing with the fog concern, but we also have some mixed precipitation out there. A lot of this is going to be to the north right now, but we just have scattered areas of rain, light freezing drizzle, but also some snow that we're starting to see change over north of Augusta into the Skowhegan area, just maybe even get into Waterville a little bit. As we take a broader look, we see that this is a product of a larger disorganized area of energy. So we have a larger swath of snow toward Quebec. We have some off toward the New Brunswick area and the Canadian Maritimes, and just these random snow showers in our neck of the woods. So we're going to start to see some more organization, but it's kind of too little too late. We're not seeing anything be too impactful over the next couple of hours. The main thing will be as temperatures come down, we have moisture on the roads. I think we're going to have some slick spots in the morning, so keep that in mind if you're heading out first thing, especially anywhere we have this pink shading. That's where we could have some freezing rain. Now tomorrow morning, we do start to see that big dive of cooler air, so we could be seeing some snow, steady light snow in areas, but temperatures are hard pressed to actually get to freezing unless you're into the mountains or in northern Maine. Throughout the remainder of Saturday, we're going to continue to see this move out toward the east. So Saturday evening, a lot of this is gone. Temperatures continue to come down, so everything's going to freeze into Sunday morning if you are out first thing Sunday morning. Now Sunday, we finally bring back some sunshine. So we do have that going for the final day of the year. For New Year's Eve, some cloud cover comes in, but temperatures in the 20s and teens. So you definitely need some layering, boots, something comfortable, even if you're in your 20s. Just take our advice. Temperatures are going to be in the 20s and teens as you go into your first day of 2024. Now we're going to have some minor accumulation. I don't think every neighborhood in this block is going to get 1 to 3 inches, but there's going to be pockets of it. So coating possible as you make your way inland, and we are looking at a little bit more as you make your way into northern Maine. There isn't going to be a ton of ice accretion, but you see these little splatterings of pink. I'm just worried about a little bit of black ice in the morning as you first wake up on your Saturday. Not a huge issue, but got to put it out there. Temperatures are going to get below freezing in a lot of areas. All right, so we are looking at a couple of days of sunshine finally. Then we have a storm system we're watching for Thursday. Right now, a lot of the models taking it offshore, but if it can sneak in a little bit more to the west, we'd be cold enough for a snow event. If it goes way too far, it'd be a rain event. So I'm just putting it out there. Could get a little interesting toward the end of the week, but we have at least 4 days of no precip.
Which is perfect.
We need it.
We'll celebrate that, and we'll watch the track of whatever the system does now.
Always.
Okay, Mallory, thank you.
Yep.